Hi guys, so the new Alienware X17 R2 is just released. So what's new? The design of the R2 is just same as the R1 from the picture that's certainly on dial. I don't see any difference from the left to right or from the back to front. They are pretty much the same. So what's new here? Which are the components inside of this little beast? Right now they only launched 4 builds in the US market. And starting with 2400 and to the max 4000, and all 4 of them features the 12th gen CPU by Intel. And there's no AMD version for now. And there are only 2 options for the CPU. One is i7 12700H and one is i9 12900HK. There's no i5 yet. And there's only 2 options for the GPU too, which are the RTX 3060 and the RTX 3080 Ti. And I'm pretty sure that RTX 3070 Ti is gonna be launched pretty soon. And for the RAM, we have the newest DDR5, which at 4800 MHz. And the maximum capacity that you can go is 64 GB. And storage-wise, we still have many choices for us to choose from. The lowest is 512 GB M.2, and the highest is 4 TB M.2. That's crazy, man. And also the keyboard, there's 2 kinds for us to choose from. One is Alienware X series thin keyboard, and another one is the Alienware Cherry MX ultra low profile mechanical keyboard on a laptop. And for the display, they took out the option, which is the 4K, and now they replace it with a Full HD 165Hz monitor. And in most cases, that's well enough for a laptop. And color-wise, they're still using the Lunar Light, which in my opinion is the best color. Adapter 240 watts, Wi-Fi cards the killer, but Bluetooth 5.2, and the battery 87 watt hours. That is pretty good actually. And as you know, I'm a fanboy of Alienware myself, so I pulled the trigger and purchased one. So if you want to know more about this laptop, make sure to subscribe for the full review and the unboxing. And if you are going to purchase the X17 R2, make sure to watch this video so you can get the most discount and the fast shipping. And now let's see who is the lucky guy for the Video League giveaway. Ding ding ding! Congratulations, DHR! Woohoo!